Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills IELTS. Really hope everybody is doing fantastic. I'm back with yet another video. Today's video is all about IELTS reading true, false, not given. Many people have problem in this module, and only this module actually costs you a lot of marks in the exam because this is slightly confusing. So today I have come up with a test for 10 marks wherein I'll be giving you 5 minutes to do it. Post 5 minutes I'll be explaining you the in-depth strategies, where you go wrong, how to use the approach of this keyword matching, where you fall for the traps and everything. Before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. And anytime you need online assistance, it's a paid assistance, you can WhatsApp us to the number appearing at the bottom of the screen. I'll be there, we will be there to help you guide you in the right direction. Alright, without further delay, let's try to get into the video. Let me just share my screen. So this is the text that I've got. It's a true, false, not given test. This is the paragraph, and I've got 10 questions. Hope it is clearly visible. So I'm going to add a timer of 5 minutes. I hope 5 minutes should be more than enough. Trust me on this. It's a very simple question. So finish doing it in 5 minutes. If you want more time, then pause the video and finish it. And once done, resume the video to understand how easily you can actually do this, and even in the exam. Alright, so adding a timer of 5 minutes, here you go. Alright, I really hope you have solved it. Quite easy question, not at all difficult. Alright, so let's understand how do we do it. Can you feel the magic in the air, blah blah blah. Don't read, man. The timing is very important in reading, correct? 40 questions, 60 minutes. You will not have a lot of time. So directly get into the question. Skydive Australia has discounts, that's the keyword, available on weekends, that's the keyword. I need to find this word discount. Spell over the weekdays, weekend, that's all it is. I am not reading it, I am just identifying the keywords. We are waving our hands and casting a spell over the weekdays to give you a special discount during the week. Now it means not weekends, it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Here it says available on weekends. See, imagine that whenever you feel, whenever you believe that it's opposite or it's contrasting or it is a lie, lie, then go with false. If you think it is exactly matching, it is truth, then go with true. If you are not able to understand that okay, it is not even true, it is not even false, then go with not given. Don't deduce a new logic for not given. It is just true and false. No, not given is not their concept. If it is not true, then check if it is false. If it is not false, then not given. True means it is matching, false means it is matching only but in a negative way. The paragraph says Sarah has 5 biscuits. In the question it says Sarah has 4 biscuits. It is contrasting. When it is contrasting, it is false. When it is not true, not false, it is not given. So here it is exactly contrasting because here it says during the week, here it says weekend. So it's exactly contraction. So if it is a contraction, it gonna be the false. Hope you are getting it. First one is false. Skydive Australia has discounts available only weekdays. So it says spell over the weekdays. It means only the weekday, not weekend. So there is not much difference in the second one and what is given here. So it is yes, only the weekdays because it is not in the weekends. And you read here offer is valid on bookings made between, not this, sorry, valid only on weekday bookings Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays only. It's already given, so this gonna be absolutely true. Hope you are getting it. We are going to third one, discount. You see, the idea of true false not given is how quickly you can solve the things. You read the entire paragraph, there only 10 minutes gone. Don't read the paragraph, read only when required. Discount is available if you book more than 15,000 feet tandem skydive. I just need to look at this word now. This word is somewhere here. Here it says more than, here it says up to. Keyword is exactly contradicting. Up to 15,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12, 13, 14, 14.99 available, 15 now available, but above 15 discount is not available. That is what here in the paragraph they are trying to say, but here it is exactly contradicting because it says more than 15,000. So this is going to be contradicting, it is false. Hope you are getting it. The next one, the offer is valid only for a month. Now if you see here month, 1st September 2022. If it is for a month, it would be 1st October 2022, but it says 28th October. It is not 1 month, probably it's 1 month and 28 days. Getting it, guys? So it's exactly again contradicting. Valid is only for a month. No, the offer is not valid for a month. It is more than a month. This is again false. Offer is valid for close to 2 months only. Yes, it is 1st September to February 28th. Not February, sorry, Friday. It is 28th October to 1st September. 1st September, 1st October, 1st November. 2 days, to November. So it would be close to 58 days, which is close to 2 months. Close to 2 months only, 100% true. Hope you are getting it. This is exactly matching. It's all gonna be easy. We make it more complicated by reading the paragraph, putting all the nonsensical thoughts in our mind. Just go in a reverse way. Don't read the paragraph, read the question. From the question you glide into the paragraph where that particular keyword is matching. Just read it. It's all about knowing where the answer is hidden. Once you get that keyword, it is simple. Alright, if you book before 1st of September, there is no discount available. It says offer is valid on bookings, means the discount is valid on bookings between Thursday, 1st September. So before September, Nakul, it is not given. No. Pay more attention. It is valid between 1st September to 20th October. Before September, it is not valid. That is how you deduce the things. So the offer if you book before, there is no discount available. 100% true. You cannot say not given because it is not written. It is written, it is hidden. Hope you are getting it. There is no discount available. Yes, there is no discount available if you book before 1st of September. There are many codes that can be used to avail the offer. How many codes? Code, using the code. Hey, only one code, man. Nakul, there could be more. They have not written. No, if they have written one code, means only one code can be used. Magic 22 at the checkout. It's only one code. Must use Magic 22. Not many codes. So there are many codes. 100% lie. If it is a lie, if it is contradicting, this gonna be false. Hope you are getting it. There are some locations where code can be used more than once. You can use it twice, thrice. You have to use it only once. Let's see if it is written anywhere. Must use code, subject to opening hours, offer valid on weekday bookings, exclude the location. Okay, location it is given. Okay, probably it is in this paragraph. It does not apply to these locations, but I do not think they have mentioned if you can use the code more than once in some location. So, this entire information is missing. How many times can you use the code is nowhere in the paragraph. Is it matching? It is not matching. Is it contradicting? No. When you do not have any valid information, then you cannot justify it. So, it could be or it is not given. Hope you are getting it, guys. Not given is little tricky. Just make sure if it is true, just make sure it is not true, just then make sure it is not false. Not true, not false, then obviously not given. Okay. If you want to go above 15,000 feet, the discount offer can still be used. Everywhere we used up to, and here as well valid on up to 15,000, not more than that. If you want to go above 15, discount offer can still be used. No, it is cannot be used, it cannot be used, it cannot be used. After availing an offer, if you reschedule is right over here. So, I got to know where I need to look into the paragraph, thereby I save some time. It is not about reading everything, this is called skimming the paragraph. I use my eyes just to skim and identify the keywords. I have one word in my mind, that is called reschedule, and I try to just skim for the word reschedule. I got it. Now, I will go and read. If you are weathered out, means you are not well. And reschedule, you must pay the difference. That offer cannot be used, man. For a weekend, if you reschedule to a weekend, no need to pay extra. No, you must pay the difference. So, this is exactly contradicting. So, it is again very sorry, false. This is a straightforward one, but yes, here if you are getting 8 out of 10, probably 8 bands in IELTS reading would be difficult. These are the simple ones. You have to make sure you get out of 10 out of 10. Hope you understood where you exactly go wrong. See, everywhere you get questions to practice, but who gives you the approach? So, here we are attempting to give an approach. If you like the video, do share your appreciation with a thumbs up, and anytime you need online assistance, do text us in the WhatsApp, and if not subscribe to this channel, do subscribe. You want more videos like this, do leave a comment, we will definitely come back at that. This is Nakul signing off from Skills IELTS. Soon I will be back. Till then, take care. Bye bye.